Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest Spy Ninja products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best Spy Ninja gadgets of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Liberty Imports Ninja Foam Nunchuck Sticks. The Liberty Imports Ninja Foam Nunchuck Sticks are designed for kids' pretend role play, offering a safe and enjoyable experience for children interested in martial arts or ninja-themed activities. These foam nunchucks provide a soft alternative to traditional hard nunchaku sticks, ensuring that children can engage in imaginative play without the risk of injury. Each set includes 2 pairs of foam nunchucks, allowing kids to share the fun with friends or siblings. These toy weapons serve as props for costumes and enhance the authenticity of ninja role-playing scenarios. The foam construction ensures that even accidental impacts are gentle, making them suitable for children of various ages. With Liberty Imports Ninja Foam Nunchuck Sticks, children can unleash their Product 2. Spy Ninjas Project Zorgo Infiltration Mission Kit. The Spy Ninjas Project Zorgo Infiltration Mission Kit, created by popular YouTubers ViQuaint and Chad Wild Clay, is an innovative tool designed to aid fans in their quest to combat the fictional villainous organization, Project Zorgo. The kit encompasses various gadgets and resources, essential for fans to immerse themselves in the Spy Ninjas universe and partake in exciting infiltration missions against Project Zorgo. This comprehensive kit likely includes items such as spy gear, e.g., hidden cameras, disguises, communication devices, puzzles, and challenges inspired by the Spy Ninjas storyline, and exclusive access to online content or interactive experiences. With a blend of real-world and digital components, the kit offers enthusiasts an opportunity to engage actively with the Spy Ninjas narrative, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and teamwork. ViQuaint and Chad Wild Clay have built a dedicated community around their Infiltration Mission Kit. Serves as an extension of this immersive storytelling experience, empowering fans to become active participants in the ongoing battle against Product 3. Product name: Spix Night Mission Goggles. The Spix Night Mission Goggles are an exciting addition to the world of spy gadgets, perfect for junior secret agents embarking on covert missions in the dark. These goggles are designed to provide an immersive experience for kids who love role-playing spy adventures. Equipped with LED light beams and a flip-out scope, these goggles offer essential tools for navigating through the shadows and uncovering secrets. The LED lights enhance visibility in low-light conditions, allowing young spies to explore their surroundings with ease. The flip-out scope adds an extra layer of functionality, enabling agents to zoom in on distant targets or objects of interest. One of the standout features of the Spix Night Mission Goggles is their adjustable spy lens, which can be customized to suit different mission requirements. Whether agents need to survey their surroundings discreetly or focus on a specific target, these goggles provide the flexibility to adapt to various scenarios. Product 4. Product name: Spix Secret Voice Changer. Spix Secret Voice Changer is an innovative toy designed to add an element of intrigue and fun to children's playtime. This voice synthesizer allows kids to disguise their voices in real time, enabling them to immerse themselves in the role of a secret agent or ninja. With the ability to alter voices using various effects, children can enhance their imaginative play and engage in exciting spy missions or ninja adventures. The Secret Voice Changer is not just a simple toy, it serves as a multi-voice amplifier and megaphone, providing additional versatility for creative play. It is suitable for both boys and girls, encouraging collaborative play and imaginative storytelling. By using the Spix Secret Voice Changer, children can develop their creativity, communication skills, and teamwork abilities in a fun and engaging way. Whether they are playing spy games with friends or embarking on solo missions, this toy adds an extra layer of excitement to their imaginative playtime adventures. Product 5. Product name: The Spix Micro Gear Set. The Spix Micro Gear Set offers an exciting array of real spy toys tailored for kids keen on immersive role play as junior secret agents, detectives, or ninjas. This comprehensive kit includes 4 essential spy gadgets and an adjustable belt for convenience during playtime. The set is designed to provide children with an engaging and imaginative experience, allowing them to delve into the world of espionage and mystery solving. With a focus on authenticity, each gadget is crafted to resemble professional spy equipment, enhancing the sense of realism and excitement for young spies in training. Whether embarking on covert missions, unraveling mysteries, or engaging in stealthy reconnaissance, The Spix Micro Gear Set equips children with the tools they need to fulfill their spy fantasies, ideal for both boys and girls. This versatile kit encourages creativity, problem-solving skills, and teamwork as kids collaborate to complete missions and outsmart adversaries. Product 6 Product name Spix Laser Trap Alarm. The Spix Laser Trap Alarm is a toy designed to engage children in imaginative spy play while enhancing their stealth and detection skills. It functions as a safe laser alarm system, allowing kids to protect their belongings or create obstacle courses for stealthy missions. The key feature of the Spix Laser Trap Alarm is its use of invisible infrared beams, mimicking the technology used in real spy gadgets. These beams serve as triggers for the alarm, creating an exciting and challenging environment for kids to navigate. Equipped with motion sensors and detectors, this toy provides an interactive experience for both boys and girls, encouraging them to strategize and plan their moves to avoid setting off the alarm. Overall, the Spix Laser Trap Alarm offers an engaging and educational way for children to explore the world of espionage and develop important skills, such as problem-solving, creativity, and critical thinking, all while having Product 7 Product name Spix Spy Recon Watch. The Spix Spy Recon Watch is an exciting addition to any young spy enthusiast's collection, offering a range of features to enhance imaginative play and espionage adventures. With its 8 functions, this toy watch provides kids with a variety of tools to aid them in their spy missions. First and foremost, the LED spotlight feature allows users to illuminate dark areas, aiding in covert operations in low-light conditions. The stopwatch function adds a competitive edge to games and challenges, perfect for timing missions or races against fellow spies. Additionally, the alarm feature can alert agents to potential threats or signal the start of a mission. One of the most intriguing features of the Spix Spy Recon Watch is its decoder capability, enabling users to crack codes and uncover hidden messages. This adds an element of mystery and problem-solving to playtime, encouraging critical thinking and creativity. Moreover, the inclusion of secret message paper and capsules allows spies to exchange confidential information securely, fostering teamwork and communication skills. Lastly, the motion alarm feature serves as a security measure, alerting users to any unexpected movement in their surroundings. This can be particularly useful for maintaining awareness and detecting intruders during spy missions or imaginative play scenarios.